Okay, so this week we're into the experimentation phase of the project. What I wanted to do this week was to get something off Unity and be able to be viewed in a viewer, one of the Google Cardboard viewer things. But I've had a few difficulties. One was to use the Unreal Engine. I needed to upgrade the OS on my computer because I was running a very old one. So that took a bit of time, and then I had to upgrade all my packages that I have, all my Adobe stuff, to work with Sierra. Also, it wasn't as easy as I planned to actually get something off the computer. So you can see here on the screen, this is the scene I made. This is all. I just wanted to see, were you able to see this cube? So all it is a cube on a plane, and that's the VR camera there. Unfortunately, it's not working for some reason. I don't know. When I go to file, build settings, and build for Android, and that's the scene there, the test demo. Try and build and run, saving it in my File project. It won't find the SDK, the Android SDK. I'm not entirely sure why it won't find it. Let's see if I can do it here. No. Anyway, yeah, it goes unable to locate the Android SDK, which it should be able to locate because I've imported the Google VR assets onto this. Well, so what I did do is I've got it running on the computer. So if I press play, you can see there's the cube, there's the plane. It's the VR environment. I just haven't figured out how I can actually get it off the computer make a APK file and upload it onto a phone so it can be seen. I've been looking at quite a few tutorials, and this should, if it was down, you would be able to look around, you'd see the plane, you'd see the cube, and you'd be in a VR environment. Other things I've done this week was I've downloaded the Unreal Engine. It took quite a while because of the software issues. I've been looking at tutorials on Unreal, and what I'm going to try next is see if I can get the same scene but make it in Unreal, and see if I can download it onto a phone so I can show in class. The only thing about the Unreal Engine is there isn't as many tutorials about how to do stuff than there is on Unity. So I'm going to try it anyway, and then I'll see which one I prefer. I have a funny feeling I will prefer Unity just because I'm used to it. Used to making the scripts. I'm used to how the workspace is set up, and then also I know how to import assets from Blender and how to add textures and stuff. But I'm going to try. Oh, I also got this screencasting software, which this is the first time I've used it, so I may sound a bit silly. Right.